Once you have downloaded the file sync setup, double-click the executable to start the installation process. Click Install. Read the end user license agreement and click I accept to agree to the specified terms. Click Next. To change the install directory, click the Browse button or click Install to proceed with the default directory. After the installation is complete, click Exit to close the setup. To activate the product, double-click the shortcut. This will launch the license wizard. Click Activate your license. Enter your serial number and activation code. Click Next. You'll then get a notification to show you that your license has been installed. Click Finish to complete the license wizard. File sync will then launch and is ready to be used.